myself Anil Kumar Skija. So class 9th and topic is lines and angles. This is our second lecture. So yesterday we started this topic, class 9th maths. Topic is lines and angles. So yesterday we have seen certain common basic terms which are used in them. We have just learned about the adjacent angles, vertical opposite angles, linear angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, and so on. And we have started with certain questions. So we will continue with the concept of same like this. So we are given that if a ray AD stands on line CB. So there is a line CB and a ray AD stands on this. And we are given that BAD 2x plus 10. BAD is 2x plus 10 and CAD 5x plus 30. Question number, we are given some number here, no. Okay, question number first for today. And what we have to find x and find value of x and angle BAD and angle CAD. So both things we have to find. Since we have seen that BAD and CAD forms a linear pair of angles, since they are on straight line, since CAB is a line, implies that angle CAD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree, since this forms the linear pair. Now what is CAD? We know that CAD is 5x plus 30 and BAD is 2x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Now this is 7x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. 7x is equal to 180 minus 40 degree. X is equal to 140 from here upon 7, this will be 20. So value of x is 20 degree. Now we want to find value of BAD and CAD. Now how do we find BAD? Angle BAD is equal to BAD is given as 2x plus 10. So which is 2 into x is 20 plus 10, which is 50 degree. So BAD is 50 degree, and then we want to find CAD. What is CAD? CAD is 5x plus 30. So 5 into 20 plus 30, so which is 100 plus 30 degree, which is 130 degree. So these are the two angles which we want to find. Then second question in this is, in figure OC stands on AB. OC stands on AB, this is AB, and OC stands on this. Now we are given one angle BOC is equal to, this is O, this is C. this is given as 120 degree, 125 degree. BOC is 125. We want to find reflex AOC. To find reflex AOC. So first we will find AOC, then we will find the reflex. Now we know that since angle AOC, angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, since it forms linear pair, then AOC is, we want to find BOC is 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. So AOC is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree, which is 55 degree. So this is AOC. Now you want to find reflect AOC. Reflex AOC is equal to 360 degree minus angle AOC. 360 degree minus AOC is 55 degree, which is 305 degree. So this will be the required answer. Then next is find the complementary angle of following angles 22, 63. Complementary angles of 22 degree, 63 degree. So very easy, as we did the definition of complementary angles yesterday. So what are the complementary angles? These are the angles whose sum is 90 degree. So if you want to find the complement of any angle, what we will do, we will subtract that angle from the 90 degree. So first we find complement of 22 degree. This will be 90 degree minus 22 degree. This will be your 68 degree. And then complement of 63 degree. This will be 90 degree minus 63 degree. This is 27 degree. So very easy. What we have to do, the angle whose complement has to be found, we will subtract that from the 90 degree. Then next is, how many degrees are there in an angle which equals 2/3 of its complement? Very interesting question. To find angle whose complement is which is 2/3 of its complement. Whose complement is which is equal to find angle whose not, it is which is 2/3 of its complement. So it is very clear what we have to do to find angle. Let the angle be x, and this is equal to, is means equal. So this will be 2/3, and complement of this angle, will be 90 degree minus x. So this will be the complement. Now from here we will find the value of x. So this will be your x is equal to 2/3 into 90 minus 2/3x. So this will be 30. So x plus 2/3x is equal to 60. So this is 5/3x is equal to 60 degree, and x will be equal to 60 degree into 3/5. This cancels out with 12. 12 into 3 is 36 degree. So the angle 36 is that which is 2/3 of its complement. What will be its complement? Its complement will be 54, and 36 is 2/3 of 54. Okay. So then next we will to the next question, but before that we have to rub the part. Then fifth question in this is find the supplementary angle of the following angles. Question fifth is to find supplementary angle of A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to, let us say this is 57 degree. Now supplement of A. So as we did the complementary angles are those whose sum is 90 degree. Likewise, supplementary angles are those whose sum is 180 degree. So what we need to do that, if you want to find the supplement of a angle, we will subtract that angle from 180 degree. Now supplement of A will be 180 degree minus A, which is 180 degree, minus 45 degree, which is 135 degree. So this will be the supplement of angle A. Supplementary angle of A. Then supplementary angle of B, which is 180 degree minus B, which is 180 degree minus B is, we are given 57 degree. So this will be 123 degree. So this will be the supplement of angle B. Then sixth question is two supplementary angles are in the ratio 3:7. Find the angles. Two supplementary angles are in ratio 3:7. Find angles. So as we know that whatever we have to find, we will assume that thing. So here we want to find the angles, two angles A and B, whose sum is 180 degree, and that are also in the ratio 3:7. So we assume that let the angles be 3x and 7x, and since these are supplementary, so angles are supplementary, not since. Angles are supplementary. Since the angles are supplementary, we know that the supplementary angles sum is 180 degree. So this will be 3x plus 7x is equal to 180 degree. So 10x is equal to 180 degree and x is equal to 180 degree by 10. This will be 18 degree. Now the angles are, so angles are 3 into 18 degree and 7 into 18 degree. So this will be 54 degree and 126 degree. So this will be the answer. These are the two angles whose sum is 180 degree. These are supplementary. Then seventh question is, what value of x would make AOB a line in figure? So we are given this AOB 4x 6x plus 30. 4x, this is 4x 6x plus 30. So AB This is OC. So when AB is line, so when AB is line, AB is a line, what will happen? Angle AOB plus angle AOC plus angle BOC will be equal to 180 degree. So these two forms the linear pair. We want to find x here. So what will happen? AOC is your 6x plus 30, BOC is 4x is equal to 180 degree. So 10x plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Now what will happen? We take 30 to this side, 10x will be equal to 150, 180 minus 30. So x will be equal to 150 degree upon 10 degree, it cancels out at 15. So value of x is equal to 15 degree. So this will be the required answer. The next question is 8th question. Two lines L1 and L2 intersect at O. So there are two lines. This is L1 and this is L2. They intersect at point O. Then we are given that this is your A, B, C, D. This angle is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. And we are given A is equal to 35 degree. We are given A is equal to 35 degree. Find B, C, D. Now we know that A and C are same. A is equal to C is equal to 35 degree. Why? Because vertical opposite angles are equal. So here we can say that when two lines intersect, opposite angles are known as vertical opposite angles, and these angles are equal as we did yesterday. So value of C is 35. So this is 35. This is 35. Now we know that B and C forms a linear pair. So B plus C will be equal to 180 degree, since B and C forms linear pair. So what is the value of C here? So this will be B plus 35 degree is equal to 180 degree. So B will be equal to 180 degree minus 35 degree. So this will be 135. 135 degree. And D is same as B, and this is also is equal to D. So we get the values of A, B and C and D is B is equal to 35 degree, C is equal to 35 degree, and D is equal to 135 degree. So these will be the values of B, C and D. Then next question, for that we have to rub this part first. The next question is, I think 7th or 8th, what we have got here. In the figure, two straight lines PQ and RX intersect at O. PQ and RX. PQ and RS intersect at O. Then this angle is given as B here, and this angle is given as 75 degree. This is 4B, A and 2C. This is your A, this is 2C. So what you want to find here? To find A, B, C. So we have to find all the values A, B and C. So we start from, we know that P, Q and R, S are the two lines which intersect at point O. Now PQ is a line. Since PQ is a line, अगर PQ लाइन है तो क्या होगा? ये एंगल्स कौन कौन से? POR plus RO, let us this point is T. ROT angle plus TOQ. So they lie on the same line, they form a linear pair. So if they form a linear pair, what will be its value? Its value will be 180 degree. What is POR? POR is 4B. ROT is 75 degree. TOQ is B is equal to 180 degree. So this will be 5B is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree. So 5B is equal to 105 degree. B is equal to 105 upon 5, which is 21 degree. Value of B is 4B, means B is 21 degree. Now we know that what will be 4B? We know that A is equal to 4B, which is 4 into 21, which is 84 degree. So value of A is 84 degree. Now you want to find 2C is given. We know that A plus 2C is equal to 180 degree. Since because PQ is a line, this forms linear pair. And we know the value of A is 84 degree plus 2C is equal to 180 degree. 2C is equal to 180 degree minus 84 degree. 2C is equal to 96 and C is equal to 48 degree. So now we have find the value of A, B and C. A is 84 degree, B is 21, A is 84 we find here, B is 21 and C is 48. So this we have find from this figure. The next is, in the figure, OC stands on the line AB. There is line AB and OC stands on this, and what we are given here, BOC, AOC are in the ratio 2:7. We are given BOC is to AOC is equal to 2:7. To find BOC and AOC, we have to find these two angles. Since we know that these two are the adjacent angles and they form the linear pair, we know that BOC and AOC, let BOC and AOC are equal to 2x and 7x. Okay. Now they form the linear pair. So angle BOC plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree since they form linear pair. So when they form the linear pair, the sum of the angles is 180 degree. Now BOC is equal to 2x, AOC is 7x is equal to 180 degree. So 9x is equal to 180 degree, x is equal to 180 degree by 9, it cancels out with 20. So x is equal to 20 degree. So BOC is 2x, which is 2 into 20 degree, which is 40 degree. And BOC is 2x and AOC is 7x, which is 7 into 20 degree, which is 140 degree. So this will be the required angles which you want to find. Okay. Then 10th question is, in the figure, ray OC stands on line AB. So again same thing. There is line AB and OC stands on to it. Now in this case, the bisector of AOC, OL and OM are the bisectors of, OL is the bisector of AOC, this OL is the bisector of AOC, and OM is the bisector of BOC. We can write AL bisects angle AOC and BM bisects angle BOC. What we need to prove that? To prove angle LOM is 90 degree. So we want to show that LOM is 90 degree. Now this is very easy part, we can say that. So which is, we know that angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. AOC and BOC are is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because this forms a linear pair. If it forms a linear pair, then we say that the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, we get half AOC plus half angle BOC is equal to 180 degree upon 2. So this will be 90 degree. What is half AOC? Half AOC either AOL or LOC. We can take any part. So half AOC is LOC, we take. Half BOC is either LOM, COM or BOM. We take COM here. COM is equal to 90 degree. And what is LOC plus COM? LOC, COM, this becomes LOM. Angle LOM, this is equal to 90 degree. So this we want to prove that LOM angle is equal to 90 degree. So this is all for today. So we did questions on lines and angles yesterday also and today also. I think you must be knowing, understanding the concept of it. So we will continue with this further. We are attaching PDF files along with all these questions. So just go through these questions thoroughly and clear your doubts immediately whenever you come across. Thank you very much.